50 animals, one extreme close-up each. 3 seconds to name it. How far can you get? Big black and white hide patches. A cow or a panda? Cow. No two have the same patches, like our fingerprints. Stay till the end. One animal here is basically invisible. Striped fur and a slit pupil eye. A lynx or a cat? Cat. That slit pupil snaps shut in sun and opens wide at night to hunt. Thick, curly white wool. A sheep or a poodle? Sheep. Wool never stops growing. Without us shearing it, the fleece would smother them. A wet pink snout. A tapir or a pig? Pig. That disc snout smells far better than a dog's, built for rooting up food. Glossy coat and a flowing mane. A horse or a lion? Horse. It sleeps standing, legs locked, so it can bolt from danger in a heartbeat. Soft fur and one long ear. A rabbit or a hare? Rabbit. Those ears aren't just for hearing. They shed body heat to keep it cool. Layered feathers and an orange bill. A goose or a duck? Duck. Its feathers stay bone dry thanks to oil it combs in from a gland. Overlapping orange scales. A koi or a goldfish? Goldfish. Each scale grows rings like a tree, so you can read its age. Smooth green skin, bulging eye, a frog or a gecko? Frog. It drinks and breathes through its skin, which is why pollution hits frogs first. A white coat dotted with black, a cheetah or a Dalmatian? Dalmatian. Pups are born pure white. Spots appear over their first weeks. 10 in. Still perfect? Drop your score. Red shell with neat black dots. A ladybug or a beetle? Ladybug. Those bright dots warn predators it tastes foul. One eats thousands of aphids. A fuzzy yellow and black body. A wasp or a honeybee? Honeybee. That fuzz traps pollen. She visits 1,000 flowers and never sleeps at night. Orange wings, webbed with black veins. A viceroy or a monarch? Monarch. It migrates 3,000 miles, yet no single one finishes. Its great-grandchildren do. Notice it? Every bright animal so far is shouting, "Don't eat me." Color is a warning. Barred feathers around a huge eye. An owl or a hawk? Owl. Its eyes can't move in their sockets, so it swivels its whole head instead. Dense orange fur. A red fox or a red squirrel? Red fox. It hears a mouse under deep snow, then dives in head first to pin it. Black eye mask and ringed tail. A red panda or a raccoon? Raccoon. That mask cuts glare like an athlete's eye black, sharpening its night vision. A field of short brown spines. A hedgehog or a porcupine? Hedgehog. Its spines are stiffened hairs. It rolls into a ball so only they face out. A big bushy tail of fur. A fox or a squirrel? Squirrel. That tail is a parachute, a blanket, and a balance pole in one. A tightly coiled spiral shell. A snail or a nautilus? Snail. It grows the shell from its own body and can never leave it. Bright orange with white bands. A koi or a clownfish? Clownfish. It's immune to the stinging anemone it hides in, trading cleaning for shelter. 20 down, halfway. Still nailing it? Rows of round suckers. A squid or an octopus? Octopus. Each sucker tastes whatever it touches, so it tastes its food before eating. Ridged bony plating. A seahorse or a pipefish? Seahorse. It's the one animal where the male gets pregnant and gives birth. A bumpy textured arm. A starfish or a sea urchin? Starfish. Lose an arm and it regrows. Some rebuild a whole body from one limb, a hard shell, and one claw. A lobster or a crab? Crab. It wears its skeleton outside and must shed the whole suit to grow. A shell of patterned scutes. A sea turtle or a tortoise? Sea turtle. It returns to the exact beach where it hatched to lay its own eggs. Inflated spiky skin. A porcupine fish or a pufferfish? Pufferfish. It gulps water to balloon up, packing a poison deadlier than cyanide. See the trick? Half these animals never fight. They just become impossible to swallow. Green scales and a spined crest. An iguana or a basilisk? Iguana. A third eye on its head senses shadow, warning it of hawks above. Spotted skin and round toe pads. A gecko or a salamander? Gecko. Millions of toe hairs grip glass. It could hang from a ceiling by 1 foot. A geometric scale pattern. A boa or a ball python? Python. It sees body heat with pit organs, hunting warm prey in total darkness. Hairy jointed legs. A crab spider or a tarantula? Tarantula. It flicks itchy belly hairs at attackers and tastes the world through its feet. 30 done. The gentle ones are over. Score? A segmented body and pincers. A scorpion or a crayfish? Scorpion. Its shell glows blue under UV light, though no one knows quite why. Lacy wings and giant compound eyes. A damselfly or a dragonfly? Dragonfly. Thousands of lenses make it nature's deadliest hunter, catching up to 95% of its prey. A triangular head with big eyes. A mantis or a grasshopper? Mantis. The only insect that can turn its head to watch you over its shoulder. Pale green wings with long tails. A luna moth or a butterfly? Luna moth. It has no mouth and never eats. It lives a week only to mate. An iridescent armored shell. A ladybug or a scarab? Scarab. Ancient Egyptians worshipped it, seeing the sun rolled across the sky like its dung ball. Vivid blue and yellow skin. A tree frog or a dart frog? Dart frog. One wild frog holds enough poison to kill 10 people. Captivity erases it. Glossy black skin with yellow blotches. A salamander or a newt? Salamander. Those colors scream toxic. It can ooze poison from its skin when grabbed. Smooth speckled skin. A flounder or a stingray? Stingray. It senses the faint electric pulse of prey hidden under the sand. An armored shell and long antennae. A lobster or a crayfish? Lobster. It can live for decades and never truly stops growing. See it now? Almost every boss left wears armor or hides. Soft bodies rarely survive. Borrowed shell. Clawed legs. A snail or a hermit crab? Hermit crab. Born shellless, it house hunts, upgrading to bigger, empty shells as it grows. 40 down, 10 brutal ones left. Score check? Beaded orange and black skin, a Gila monster, or a Komodo dragon. Gila monster, a rare venomous lizard. Its venom inspired a real diabetes drug. Spiny desert lizard skin, a thorny devil, or a horned lizard. Thorny devil. Grooves between its spines pull water to its mouth, so it drinks through its skin. Ridged red and blue face skin, a baboon or a mandrill. Mandrill, the most colorful mammal alive. The brighter its face, the higher its rank. A frilly, vividly colored body, a flatworm or a nudibranch. Nudibranch. This sea slug steals stinging cells from its prey and reuses them as armor. An armored body, stalked eyes, a mantis shrimp or a krill. Mantis shrimp. It punches like a bullet and sees color through 16 receptors. We get 3. Leaf-shaped camouflage flaps, a seahorse or a sea dragon. Sea dragon. Those leaves aren't fins, they're disguise, drifting like seaweed so nothing notices. Transparent see-through wings, a moth or a glasswing. Glasswing. Its clear wings reflect no color, so predators look straight through it. Bumpy green camouflage skin, a mossy frog or a toad. Mossy frog. It mimics clumped moss and curls into a ball to vanish entirely. An iridescent patterned flap, a peacock spider or a jumping spider. Peacock spider. Smaller than a fingernail, the male raises this flap and dances to win a mate. Shaggy camouflage skin, a stonefish or a hairy frogfish. Frogfish. Here's the invisible one I promised. It mimics seaweed and dangles a built-in fishing lure. So now you know, every animal here survives through its surface. Texture is evolution's disguise. Drop your final score and which close-up fooled you.